Hey everyone, welcome to 2024 July Patreon Part 8. Welcome to Last Fantasy Gaming. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer, and figure for your 3D printing need. All the figures, all the ones we'll be looking at will be in the description down below. If you do like it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below. Now let's get started. Realm of Path. This will be Blood Bowl style for your games. If anyone played Blood Bowl, please let me know how that game is. I know some of the models are kind of cool to paint, but other than that, I wasn't really interested in it. But you got some goblins and some ogres as well, if you do need it for your Blood Bowl. Grimlock. This one is actually your proxies for your 40k, Age of Sigmar, and Old World if you're interested. Looks like we got a Tyranid proxy right here. I don't know what this Tyranid is supposed to be proxy of. The Devourer. But let's see, orcs and dwarves. I know the new orc old world dropped, and I'm probably gonna pick it up. So we have the orcs with their big ass. They have some big ass mouths for orcs. This will be good for your old world if you're interested. You have dwarves as well. Your guns. That's pretty cool. For your orcs, Sci-Fly for July, Devour. We got that. We should get more. It looks like we have Chaos Sorcerer. And this looks like Necron ships. That should be pretty cool to have as well. And we got some Imperiums. Anyhow, that's actually pretty cool. I always get these guys every month, so it's actually good. Lost Kingdom miniature. This is another. I think we're doing Beastmen and Ogres. I think it's for Age of Sigmar style. For it, for proxies as well. I don't know what you really call these guys. These like reptilian ogre, half reptilian creatures. I think I'm gonna consider them as beastmen for Age of Sigmars. I really don't know. If you guys do know, please let me know. So I have some kind of an idea. That look pretty cool. But we have ogres as well. I really want to do that. Let them do the old world ogres. That looks actually kind of fun to paint as well. Yashi Kojin Studio. They do a lot of like what you call it, Asian inspired D&D miniature. We got some Hook horror. That looks pretty good. That's June 25th. That's War Raven. I don't know what's going. I don't know if they have anything out for July yet. But yeah, I'll just put down a link for you guys so you guys can check them out later on, I guess. They do a lot of D&D stuff, as you can see. Primal Beast Miniatures. I don't think they have nothing out for a long time. So I'm just going to leave it as is. Talon. Making Talon. We have cave structures and crystalline structures. I think we already saw this for it, but this is actually pretty good for your terrain needs. I am going to need, I don't think I'll need a lot of them anymore because I need to make my own terrain into flesh style. So I gotta use a lot of foam and clay when I make my own miniatures and so forth as well. So that's just pretty cool if you guys really do need stuff like this. I don't know how you're gonna hang a stalagmite and stalactite. I forgot which one is it that goes up in the ceiling. Like these floating things, I'm like, nah, for it, but let me know. Okay, Mammoth Factory Miniature, another D&D figure. That's pretty good too. Uh, we got looks like giants, ogres, saber tooth, and barbarians for it. So we got frost giants. Uh, they don't look like the ones from D&D, but you got a hag. I don't know, ogre, female ogre, and ogre eating something, ogre with an axe, saber tooth. For it. I think it'd be kind of different. We got the half elven Inca. Why? I really don't like this little plug-in thing. A giant blood berserker, so barbarian. For it. that lives up in the probably Icewind Dale area. You know, it's gonna get really cold. I think she warped up with that. And Frost Frozen Remains, Wolf Headdress. We got your bust as well. Yeah, check them out. Berserk 3D print. Looks like we're having vampire girls. I'm thinking. So yeah, we have some vampire girls. Let me see if I can. Here at 1080p. Quality, auto, 1080p. So we got the, looks like a Draco Lich for it. And vampire, we got Lady Dimitris and her 3 girls. The vampire girls. Actually pretty cool. More vampire chicks. And they do come in NSFW as well. And you got their transform, like half, whatever that thing is called, with freaking arms for wings and hooves for horse. This one looks a lot better. This looks like more like a better transformation. Look like one of those harpy ladies from the Yu-Gi-Oh shows. They're girls, vampire girls, Lady Dimitris, stuff like that. I'll put the link down for you guys if you're interested in that. Cobra mode, another D&D minis as well. They do a lot of cool stuff with animals, like the merfolk. You have a ship for Spelljammer if you're interested. We got some whole bunch of other stuff as well. But yeah, a lot of people like to paint these things a lot colorfully as well. And other cool things about it too. I like the little details with the seagulls in the net and everything. You have your terrains. So that's actually pretty cool. Next one is Miniatures Blueprint. For this month, we got the Warlock Orc, Gul'dan. Looks like a Barbarian Fighter or a Barbarian or Orc Fighter. Or these two. My Orc story for it. So that'll be it. They're not really cheap. They're like $3, $4 for those 3. $5 tier for TPK Labs. This was in June. I don't know what they have for July. July would be the Angel. These are the Paladin, Spellcaster, and a Rogue. So yeah, if you're interested in that. 3D Moon figures. Loyalty for this month is Virgil if you have 3 months or more. This year we have Lollipop Chainsaw Girl. I think it's coming this released. Yeah, I'm waiting for the remake of it as well for this game. We got Elizabeth rendered as well and testing out. And there's one more. I think we get Sarah Victorious as well. Very hot. If you're interested. Bruno Art 3D STL. We are getting Vampira. I think there's like one more after that. And I think we're also getting Sisters of Battle for this month as well. Keep an eye out for it. I don't think they're fully released yet. If they do, I'll let you guys know, or you guys can jump on it already. Ezurama, another figure. This is your first gold model. Hesta, original outfit. And we got, I think this one is from what's it called? Fire Force. If you're interested, you got the flaming one, and I'm not clicking that one for it. And I think we got, I forgot this girl was, name was, that was from Hero Academia. You know, problem with me is I cannot memorize a lot of stuff. It's just, it goes in, it goes out the other. Especially if I don't watch the anime for a long time. This will be the last one for this video. ES Monster for July. This is special reward. We have 2B, Felicia, Black Cat, Valentine, I believe that's her name is. Welcome gift and your rewards for this month. Wolverine, She-Hulk. Do not know forgot where she's from. This one is from Metal Slug, I believe, and this Bulma for July if you're interested. We'll see some stuff. This one I'm waiting for next month. This is actually my original waifu that I can't wait to get. So we have Wolverine. This is a this one Nikki, the Red Hood. If you're interested, we got the She-Hulk, Bulma, and stuff like that. Well, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.